Good morning, everyone. Papa and Josie homesteading with you. Got quite a bit of rain yesterday, so I figured I'd try to burn this brush pile up, burn up some old feed sacks and things. Get rid of them. Got a little bit of a breeze blowing today, but I think it's wet enough. We should be all right. Definitely burning pretty good. Better than I thought it would. Like I said, we got a little froggy today. We might go over and try to clean it up. There's a couple of trees laying down over there. Pretty close to it. And drag over and throw on there. I'm gonna go finish my feeding this morning. Like I said, I figured it'd go a lot slower, but it's catching up pretty quick. It's been dry down in there. We're gonna go finish our feeding real quick. Josie's over playing in the barn. All of our chickens we got left are doing good. And cats like getting up there and laying on top of that for some reason. But, definitely tell which ones are roosters and which ones are hens now. That sapphire gem right there is starting to try to crow. What? I was just looking at the chickens. I was just showing everybody of our chickens. Yep, I'm showing everybody of our chickens. And there is one of them. You can see it real good. Oh, yeah, where's my, there we go. That one right there, these are all supposed to be hens. But man, that thing's looking an awful lot like a rooster. So I'm not sure. Like I said, I bought them at Southern States, and it's all supposed to be pullets. But it is looking a whole lot like a rooster. Ah, let's see. Uh-oh, did you drop your stuff? All right, we better get back up here and check on our fire. Probably hard to tell by this camera angles. Well, you might be able to tell. Sometimes it shows up better than you think. But, we've been gone about 30 minutes down there feeding the gilts and the goats and sheep and baby chickens and all that stuff. And it's burnt the whole center out of that. Which I had it covered up with the tarp yesterday during all the rain. And a lot of that's just soft wood, so it's burning good. Get that out of the way. Working on these rabbit cages while I was burning this brush pile. These things are aggravating us. All get out on this 1/2-inch wire. They probably work great on something a little bigger that you get in there to work with, but this 1/2-inch stuff, they suck. It's burning pretty decent. I'll have to, once it cools down a little bit later, we'll have to throw some of that back up on there. There's a lot of that right there will burn. It's hot underneath of it. Bed of coals and stuff under there. If you can see it or not. I wish you'd get that brush over here, so I don't have to throw it up on there. Big pile over here too. Here comes trouble. What is it? Did you come check out, see what I was doing? Did you come to check out, see what I was doing? Yeah, I got totally looked homeless today. What do you guys think? Are you trying to get me? Oh. Alright. I did get one tree up here. And got it sawed up, throwing it in there when Josie come up. The other one's still laying over. I got sawed it off actually. It's blowed over, it's still connected to the roots. Brush pile, it's been burning pretty good. Phew, smoke. We're gonna see what's up with Josie and get back to work on this. this brush pile, we've Chastity picked her up some cherry tomato plants. I actually give to her. They're dire need of water. I watered them after I planted them this morning. They're definitely wilted pretty bad. But in the middle burning brush pile, we done that. We're gonna have to get over here and hoe in this. And I finished getting the square box part of this rabbit cage done. I still got to put the door in it. And then I got to build another rabbit box, or a nesting box for it. We got all that put together. And on top of that stuff, we broke the grater box again. Just probably got 10 out of there. They're like $10. But, grater box does not make your tractor a bulldozer. I thought I could just hit that tree that was connected and break it off because it had been pushed over for a long time, but nope, didn't happen. Even though we broke the grater box, we got them 2 trees out of there. Like I said, there's still some junk over there I want to clean up. The brush pile's burning pretty good. I'll be able to throw that brush up on there tomorrow, and it'll if it don't rain, which it's not supposed to rain till Monday, I don't think now. Slight chance this evening, but not very good. That'll be smoldering for days. Yeah, me and Josie gonna wrap this one up. Everybody don't mind, hit subscribe and like. Check us out on Facebook. Say bye. Say bye. You gonna say bye? Are you gonna be bashful? There you go. Everybody have a good weekend. It's Mother's Day weekend tomorrow. Happy Mother's Day to my mom. Happy Mother's Day to all my daughters, my wife. Bye. Y'all have a good one.